Hey guys, totally sweaty, which is how I usually am after a session on this ramp. This is a farewell message for this ramp. First time I've built half pipes in my house. I learned so much on here. I learned to do axle stalls, grinds, rock and rolls, spine transfers, hand plants, ollies on the ramp, kick flips. I learned a varial flip, can't even say it, in this basement. So for the last couple of years, I've learned a lot down here. And my message of encouragement is that half of the time when I show up down here, I don't feel like getting started. Maybe I had a sleepless night, or I'm too exhausted. I start skating, I can't land something, I get really frustrated. And you just got to push through. You just got to keep going. It's like David Goggins' motivational stuff, just mind over matter. You just keep going. So I met Tony Hawk a few months back, and it was an awesome experience. And I asked him what separated him from other skaters and kind of differentiated him. And he said he never stopped. So if you want to get good at anything, you just got to keep doing it. You're not going to feel comfortable. You're not going to feel motivated. You're going to be sore some days. Maybe you'll have some bruises on you. There's going to be a lot of excuses, a lot of reasons to take a day off. And I do take a day off. I take Sundays off to rest. But my message was this ramp was awesome. I didn't feel like skating it every day, but once I got going, my mind started to open up to possibilities of new tricks and new things. And once you get the energy going, you start sweating, your heart's pumping, your mind expands, and you start to try new things. So just stick with it, keep skating, and you'll learn a lot. Not just about skateboarding, but about mental toughness, perseverance, and achievement. So keep following my channel. Hopefully next time you see a ramp in my house, it'll be an even bigger one in a different house, because our family's moving here real soon, and we're disassembling this ramp today. Sold it to a nice gentleman that hopefully will get years of use out of it. So farewell, follow my channel, and hope to see you soon.